There you go, babe. It's recording. Get her.
How do I zoom?
Just, I don't think you can zoom.
What? How can you not zoom?
You can't zoom on a record.
How can you not zoom on record? This is good stuff. Oh, look at her. Where is he?
Oh my god. Dude, he's still not even in line yet.
Wax on, wax off!
Did you really do the window? If you really did something?
Yes!
That is hilarious.
This is the best shit ever. Oh god. She's having a good time with this.
He's in line right now.
Is he? Oh my god, he needs to come out.
This is going to be awesome.
No, she's waiting on him.
He's in line now.
I'm so pissed this can't zoom.
I know. What the fuck?
The iPhone can't zoom? I'm very sad
Only
about
pictures.
that. I can zoom on mine if I had it. She's doing the headlights now.
Yeah, on the camera.
Oh, that's just upsetting. I think if there was ever a time we needed a zoom, now is it? Come on. Come on, weird dude.
Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet? Jesus. This is ugly. Random fun at 24-hour gas station. Doesn't get much better than this shit right here. What the hell is he buying in there? Is he doing his grocery shopping? I mean, what the fuck? Oh, yours is bigger than ours. Ours is tiny. The only thing that might make
Do
this...
the other guy in vacuum.
Yes, start doing the other guy. Start cleaning his windows. The other guy. Say, sir, would you like your windows cleaned?
He's robbing the place right now. Hold on.
No shit. This is the longest video ever. I swear to God,
I had to pause it.
this guy's like buying shit for his grandma in there. We don't know what's going on. You know what it is? It's the beginning of the month. He got his food stamps.
Yeah,
We're fucked. It could be hours.
They're calling the cops about why there's a crazy
Yeah.
lady fucking with his car.
He's just calling the cops. That's all.
He's from the hood. They don't call the cops.
That's true.
They handle their biz.
Here he comes. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm pissing myself. Oh my god, I'm crying. He's like, don't
He's just
fuck.
gonna pump the gas right now. He's like, fuck it.
Might as well get my fucking shit clean.
Oh my god. Whose headlights? She just picked up the fucking blade too.
Oh, she's talking to him, dude. She's having a good time with it. My video went off, killed her. I was laughing so hard. Oh, this is good. The only thing that would make it better is if like somebody stepped out and she started cleaning the person.
Did we just start the car and leave without her?
He's still pumping gas.
I'm gonna throw up. I'm laughing so hard I'm gonna throw up. I think she got a date out of the deal. It's like shit, she cleans windows.
Oh, she's got a wagon. Start the wagon! Get the shaggin'.
And now that you've cleaned windows
He
for a
was
little...
very appreciative.
Was he?
He thanked me. I said, I hate bird shit. He goes, so do I.